Hello boys and girls, this is CA Mohit Agarwal here and yet another important announcement for CA students by ICAI. Reopening of the windows, reopening of the correction windows, boys and girls. See, do not miss it because you have limited time. The reopening of window has already been announced and it is going to open from 4th May and will be open till 6th of May. So you will be having 3 days, okay. See, this is an important announcement. Reopening of online filling up of examination application form, okay, for CA May 21. Considering the COVID situation and in the interest of everyone, it has been decided to reopen the online filing up of examination application form for final level and IPC and intermediate level. So intermediate and final level can again opt for their examination. So those who did not fill up the examination form have been given the golden opportunity because the exams have now been postponed. तो बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे होंगे यार हमें पहले पता होता तो हम तो फॉर्म भर देते यार, तो अब भर दीजिए, आपके पास मौका है अभी भी भरने का. From 4th of May 10 AM, ठीक है, to 6th of May. तो भाई 4 तारीख को ही इसको यूज कर लेना. And this is a last opportunity. This is the last opportunity for May 21 examination application form online. Okay, so do not miss out, boys and girls. This is it. This was a quick update. Do remain subscribed to the channel and press the bell icon because आपको पता है सारा अपडेट्स मिलेगा और खाली अपडेट्स नहीं, क्वालिटी कंटेंट. आप मेरे चैनल को विजिट करो, आपको मिल जाएगा क्वालिटी कंटेंट. चाहे वो लॉ का मैराथन हो, चाहे वो ऑडिट का मैराथन हो, चाहे वो फाइनल लॉ का मैराथन हो, चाहे वो फाउंडेशन का सारा मैराथन हो, सब आपको इस चैनल पर जो है वो लेटेस्ट अमेंडमेंट्स का बात हो, मैराथन्स का बात हो, एवरीथिंग यू आर गोइंग टू गेट एट वन प्लेस ओवर हियर. सो डू नॉट मिस इट आउट. थैंक यू.